Graphy review, details, pricing and features. Graphy is a website for creating and selling courses. It's an excellent method to make money while also sharing your knowledge with others. All in one spot, you can broadcast live sessions, create courses, and expand your community. Whatever you create with Graphy is yours, including your website, audience, email list, community, and even the brand. It accepts a variety of payment methods, including Instamojo, PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, and others. Graphy hosts everything on their secure servers, so there's no risk of losing anything if something goes wrong whilst also hosting a session or introducing a course. Furthermore, they provide 24/7 support, so if something goes wrong, they can help you solve it as quickly as possible. They also have some amazing solutions integrated into their system, which makes monitoring everything much faster than before, such as automated email marketing campaigns sent out once a course is completed. That way, you can keep in touch with them for free after they've finished learning from you. Graphy features. 1. Multimedia online courses. With Graphy you can upload multimedia course content with ease, using a drag-and-drop course builder. Self-paced or instructor-led courses are both available. You can create courses that are only available on mobile or the web. Provide fully customization online course certificates that meet your specific passing criteria, and you can create an online course just for your offline audience if you have one. Graphy's multi-layer security safeguards your course at every level, including content encryption, login restrictions, and device protection. To enable a smoother, faster, and secure delivery of the course information, Graphy use Amazon CloudFront. Most importantly, all of your course content belongs to you, and you will always be the lawful owner of it. Graphy doesn't keep or distribute your information. 2. Branded websites and mobile apps. Beautiful website designs will give your online presence a boost. Simply pick from a variety of beautiful, completely customizable website layouts. Using the pre-designed templates, select and apply themes that best represent the soul of your company. Individual design blocks can be customized by experimenting with the numerous accessible elements. On the other hand, you can also develop your own code and create your favorite theme. You can also connect your domain name and promote your website under your own name. Start developing native Android and iOS apps. With only one click, you may get a highly engaging mobile app. You can even build courses that are only available on mobile devices. Get complete control over your course platform, including the ability to create traffic, acquire leads, track traffic sources, and much more. Create connections with multilingual UI and localization by selecting a language other than English that your users speak. 3. Integrated payment gateways. Graphy offers hassle-free inbuilt payment gateway connections, whether you need to process payments from local students or from students from other countries. Sell an unlimited number of courses, personalize the checkout page, and simplify the payment transaction. Your customized and completely optimized checkout pages will entice your students to make a purchase. One-click checkout allows you to make a sale in a matter of seconds. You can collect payment first, then gather information about your students. Maximize your sales by providing your learners with attractive offers such as discount coupons, promo codes, and different payment methods. Every course on Graphy can have custom pricing across countries, and you can collect payments in the currency of your customers. Check the analytics to keep track of how much money is coming in. To manage and monitor your sales and revenue, gain access to the Sales and Revenue dashboard. 4. Advanced marketing tools. With Graphy's SEO-friendly platform, you can drive traffic to your course landing page and increase sales. Use meta tags, keywords, and clear HTML code to optimize your course website and landing pages. Conversion pixels can be integrated into your course platform to track and improve your marketing. With the highly convertible opt-in forms and checkout pages, you can easily target and generate more leads. Increase your sales by converting your students into affiliate partners. Offer rewards to your students to encourage course recommendations. 5. Community and engagement. Create an online course community, engage with it, and watch it grow. Every successful course has a dedicated community that enjoys learning, growing, and interacting with one another. Actively participate in the learning process to give them a boost. Make crucial announcements about the course and provide current updates. Your students can immediately interact with you and have their questions answered. It doesn't matter if you want to publish a video, an image, or text, it's all possible. Mark any questions that need to be addressed by your support team as tickets. Blue tick profiles are given to administrators and educators. This aids in the development of communal authenticity. 6. Most secure platform. Your content is valuable, and Graphy's security is as well. Safeguard your content from piracy and unauthorized access with top-of-the-line protection. Graphy prevents users from revealing their passwords with non-member friends and only allows access from one device at a time. By generating individual watermarks with the student's phone number and email address, dynamic watermarking protects your material from screen capture and recording. You have complete control over who has access to the content and whether it is valid. Similarly, you may make information available for a limited time by setting a start and end date. Graphy additionally ensures that no plugin or third-party device can download your content. Graphy mobile apps are 100% safe, with secure offline download, content protection against screen recording or mirroring, and the ability to execute your apps exclusively on approved mobile phones. Graphy pricing. Graphy offers 3 pricing plans customized to meet a diverse range of business needs. 1. Launch Plan. The Launch Plan is ideal for creators. This plan is free, but there is a $199 onboarding fee plus a 10%, or 25 cents whichever is higher fee for every sale. 2. Rise Plan is ideal for business. The Rise Plan price is $3,999 a year. No onboarding fee plus a 5% or 0.25 cents per sale whichever is higher. 3. Scale Plan is ideal for brands. The Scale Plan price is $9,999 a year. No onboarding fee plus a 3% or 0.25 cents per sale whichever is higher. Graphy Plan's core features. Beautiful templates and a no-code website builder. Custom domain. With Graphy's native player, you may host up to 500 people in real time, one session at a time. Admins, instructors, and team members can be added without limit. Sell internationally with pricing tailored to each country. Offer exclusive paid memberships to your audience. Inbuilt tracking for affiliate marketing. Enable single sign-on for your platform. Your own Android app, with your branding. Your own iOS app, with your branding. Host and teach an unlimited number of courses. Unlimited live sessions. Offer certificates to your learners. Custom roles for all team members. Collect payments via Razorpay, Stripe, or another payment method of your choice. Graphy branding can be removed from your website. Real-time reporting allows you to keep track of your sales. Support is available via live chat and email. SSL certificates that can help to protect your platform. Offer discounts and run promotions on your site. Conversion monitoring can give you a lot of insights about your marketing. Ability to integrate Zapier, Pabbly, webhooks, Zoom, Facebook Pixel, Google Tag Manager, MailChimp, API access, and more into your processes.